for the baking, with the cake and coffee. Really yummy. Oh, that's so sad. Say Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
Red. Wow.
Do you know the name of these?
No, is that pear?
Nutmeg.
No.
Nutmeg.
It's nutmeg.
It is nutmeg.
Well, we're used to seeing it brown.
Exactly. When we buy in our country, buy when it's brownish. I mean, the people used to grate it. I think. But people in London, they used to make marmalade jam in it to buy. Marmalade jam, yeah. They made out of this.
Wow. It's amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You want to try?
So, before dried it, people they take off these.
The skin?
You done? Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to take it.
You want to take the whole stuffing?
No, just
No, you want to take
photo.
from the fodder? Good. So before dried it, we remove the red part. They call nutmeg mace.
Okay.
People people over here they used to make Coco Chanel No. 0 perfume. It is very common actually, Coco Chanel in our island.
Coco Chanel
Yeah.
is made by this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We do. I mean,
By the red skin.
the red skin. Because we mix with the ilang ilang flower. Do you know ilang ilang flower?
No.
It is very common that flowers in Mauritius, Madagascar. Are you ready for us to smell it? Can you smell? Hold it, please. No. In England, people they buy actually when it's green. Yeah, but green is not very common all over. But this is how the seed of the plant looks like when it's fresh. Open your hand, please.
Pepper.
No, pepper is a vine or parasite plant.
Oh.
Spice too.
Oh, no, I'm a picture of him.
Exactly. So they brought these from Madeira Island, nearby to the Mozambique. Okay, so from this plant we get one fruit, one part, and 1 year. When it's ready, we cut the whole down, and we use that on top of it. Say Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
On the branch, on the trunk, on the bottom.
They train the tree.
Anywhere we get the fruit. Yeah, exactly. I love the cocoa inside. We get the cocoa beans when it's white,
Yes.
Yeah?
and then so people suck it.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, but they're
The spice tour.
it's spicy,
in
yeah.
Zanzibar. I know this one. This one is
You want to eat this?
No.
It's okay.
If you're hungry, you can eat.
Eat them all.
You're in amongst many trees.
Welcome
Eat
to
the tree.
Africa.
Have a smell of that?
I love the smell.
This smells good. This is cinnamon. No, yes,
Cinnamon?
cinnamon.
Darjeeling. A biryani. Have a smell.
Smells good, eh?
Oh, yeah. Is this for best biryani?
Yes. Karibu sana. Yes.
Karibu, Habibi.
Hello.
Jambo,
Jambo.
Jambo.
Hakuna Matata Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
Welcome Zanzibar.
Asante sana.
So, the question we have to ask, do you put coconut in biryani?
Wow. Hati malaikan. Mina kupendang malaikan. Malaikan. Mina kupendang malaikan. Hati we kijana mwenzio. Hati mimi nashindwa na mali sina. Awe ningekuwa wa malaikan. Wow. Wow. Happy Jambo. We
habari gani? Nzuri sana. Hadi wageni wakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata. Pararam pararam pararam. Jambo bwana, habari gani?
Nzuri sana.
Hadi wageni
Wakaribishwa
Zanzibar yetu,
hakuna matata.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Hadi wageni mwakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata.
Jelly coconut problem.
Fresh coconut. Okay. So this is the spice store, Zanzibar.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the spice tour of Zanzibar. Do check out the description below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Ta-da!